Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I want to offer you a motivational moment to help you keep going on your reseller business. I get discouraged sometimes, and these things help me. I know they will help you too. So let's get motivated. So today's motivational moment is, for one, I want to say happy Memorial Day weekend. And because of the freedoms that our soldiers give us, we have freedom to do this reseller business. No other country in the world do we have e-commerce like we do. And I just wanted to say thank you to all the veterans, and also for just saying thank you for those who have given their life in memory for this country. And so we want to remember them today. And I'm a veteran myself. I know how much hard work goes into just the training alone in being a soldier. And so I wanted to say thank you so much for all of those who have given their life. And so one thing about reselling is that you have to give up aspects of your life and your time in order to be able to do this business well. And so sacrifice is a part of life. And so I wanted to encourage you with this motivational moment to just say, hey, if you want your business to run well, you do have to sacrifice. Obviously, the sacrifice of your own life for our country is something much more dramatic. And many countries around the world have many people who have sacrificed their lives. And in no way am I saying that the sacrifice for your reselling business is equal to that. But I wanted to say a big thank you to those who have family members who have sacrificed for their country and the freedoms that we have in order to enjoy this e-commerce world and make money for our families. So don't forget to sacrifice in order to work your job well, but make sure you're doing it for the right reasons and make sure you're keeping your family first and foremost. Hope this has been helpful and this has been motivating to you. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you don't attend church or cannot get out, please join me and my church family on our church's live stream on Facebook in the link below. The one who is usually preaching is my hubby, the voice from behind the camera. And you might even see me singing on the praise team. The live stream usually begins between 10:30 and 10:45 after our announcement time on Sundays. Just tune in and enjoy. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.